Hey, it's Yvonne. I'm giving you a quick demo of the social planner inside my CRM. This is where I run my content, automate posts, and track link clicks all in one spot. If you're juggling with too many tools just to show up online, this is what helped me for those quick, simple posts that I just need to get done right away. In the CRM application, we are in Marketing, Social Planner tab. And right now I am in what's called the calendar view. And you'll see here, this is the full month of December. And we have some posts that have already been published. And you'll see others that are upcoming and scheduled. There's another view, which is pretty cool too. It's called List View, where you can see by social media platform, like, okay, what's going on in TikTok. You can actually filter them out here, which is pretty cool. So let's just say I want to check out what's going on in LinkedIn. I can see what's happening in that month. I believe you can do it in the calendar section as well. So it stayed on LinkedIn, and then it showed me what's happening on LinkedIn. Looks like we're pretty heavy on Tuesday, which makes sense because we have our Tech Tuesday themed social media campaign that goes out during the month. So now let's actually jump into the Tech Tuesday. So we already have a few that are published, and we have some that are upcoming for LinkedIn because I sorted it by LinkedIn, but we actually have it in other planners or platforms as well. So let's go ahead and look at one that's upcoming, which is December 23rd. Just wanted to show you that if, say, for example, you're on your phone, which you can see this as well, and you're like, oh, wait, I want to change something, or there was a typo, you can actually change it from your phone. Or if you're going to do maybe a little more heavy editing, I'd probably say go to your laptop since you have a bigger screen. But what I like about this application is that you can actually bold your text. If you're using the native app, especially from your phone, like LinkedIn, you don't have that feature. So you can actually bold it, which we did the first two sentences. You can also italicize your font. And then, of course, there's the emojis, which we like to use based on whatever our marketing theme is. And then down here, you have your media formats on what you're going to upload. So in this particular one, we actually did an MP4 Canva video that we uploaded, created it in the Canva application. But what the media is, and you're probably familiar with it, it's your media storage within the CRM. And we have, content here from all of our social media campaigns that have been uploaded. But say you don't have the MP4 or whatever it is loaded quite yet, while you're in the middle of updating your post or creating it, you can actually upload it at the same time, and then it'll drop right here. You just click it, and once you click it, it will actually upload right here, and you can see it. I always recommend to check this out on your phone as well, because the mobile screen, can cut down into the margins. So you want to make sure your content isn't centered depending on the type of format that you're using. So cool thing about this is you can schedule out multiple posts for the month like we try to do for Tech Tuesday. So for this particular one, we were looking at December 23rd. And what I really like is it gives you the best time to post. So we went ahead and selected the morning time, and then schedule posts. So if I made any edits and this was already scheduled, it makes a live update, and then it will post according to the edits that I used. That's pretty much it at a high level. If you'd like a setup like this for your business, you can book a free consult with us and we'll walk you through it. Want to do it yourself instead? Then we also have options for you, whichever fits you best. Let us know.